Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my class students, class 5 subject English grammar. So today we'll be doing our topic that is simple tense, present, past and future. The word tense indicates the time of an action or an event. See here, the moon shines brightly. So which tense is it? It is the present tense. The moon shines brightly. See in this sentence, yesterday she visited the doctor. So here visited is in past tense. Observe this sentence here. Tomorrow she will pray at the church. Here will pray. If we add will, it is future. Verbs in simple past tense verbs in simple present tense indicate habits and general truths. Verbs in simple present tense indicates habits and general truths. See here, it adds habit. It's not habits, It's not habit. So here, in simple present tense, the habits and general truths are added by S and ES. So simple present tense. When a subject, that is the main noun or pronoun of a sentence, is I, we, you or they, we use the base form of verb, that is to show simple present. When the subject is he, she or it, the verb takes S or ES. See here, swim. When we have the subject he, she or it changes to swims. For example here, Vivek and I play football at home. So here we have play for two persons, that is Vivek and I. Next we will move on to the third example. Udaya eats a lot of vegetables. Here Udaya is only one person, that is she. It changes to eats. To form negative sentence, we add do, does not before the verb and use the base from the verb. Form of a verb. Now for example, subject here, they. Positive sentence, how do we tell? They play cricket. Negative sentence, we just add they do not play cricket. First main here is fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs given. The earth dash around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. Next, fourth one, let us do. Ranu and Tanu dash to school by bus. Here in the bracket we have not go. So here Ranu and Tanu do not go to school by bus. Now we have simple past form. Simple past forms of many verbs end in ed. They are called as regular verbs. Other verbs make simple past forms in a variety of ways. They are called as irregular verbs. Regular verbs example is care, cared. Irregular verbs is go, will become went. Cut is cut itself. You shouldn't say there cutted and all. Usually you speak that words, no? Cutted, putted and all. To form negative sentence, we add did not before the verbs and use the base form of verbs. Now for example here see, father cooked dinner. Father did not cook dinner. B main, fill in the blanks with the correct form of given verbs. Gigi dash to school yesterday. What is given in the bracket? Walk. Gigi walked to school yesterday. The bell dashed at 2 p.m. Now it is 5 p.m. Not ring. So the bell did not ring at 2 p.m. Now it is 5 p.m. Now we'll move on to simple future form. Simple future forms of verbs are usually made by adding will or is, am, are going to. Is, am, are going to along with the base form of verb will come. Now in negative sentence, this is about positive. Negative sentence in this form are made by adding not after will or is, am, are. Now for example, this dog will bite you if you pull its tail. Simple future forms of verbs are used to show intentions. I will call the Delphi tomorrow. Now here see main. Here is what Sid plans to do next week. Make sentences based on his plan that show future time. One is done here. On Monday, he will practice his piano lessons. So Tuesday they have given cricket and coaching. On Tuesday, he will go for his cricket coaching. The rest of it, just observe the sentence what it is given and try to plan the future time of Sid. Complete the activity and revision.